In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sequential numbers in Excel using two simple methods. This is perfect for creating ordered lists, invoice numbers, task IDs, and any situation where you need clean, consistent numbering without doing it manually. We'll start with the fill handle method, which is quick and visual. Click the first cell in the series where you want your numbering to begin and type the number you want to start with. In the cell directly below it, or to the right if you're filling across a row, type the next number to define your pattern. For example, if you type 1 and then 2, Excel knows to increment by 1. If you type 10 and then 20, it will continue by tens. Once those starting values are in place, select both cells together. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. Click and drag that handle across the range you want to fill. As you drag, you'll see a preview of the sequence. Release the mouse when you've covered the area you need, and Excel will automatically continue the sequence for you. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that both starting values were selected before you dragged, and make sure the cells are formatted as numbers, not text. Now let's look at the row function method, which doesn't require setting a pattern and is great when you just want a simple 1, 2, 3 sequence. Click the first cell where you want the numbering to begin and type equals row open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis. Then press Enter. That's equal row A1. This tells Excel to return 1 in that cell. Next, just like before, grab the fill handle from the corner of that cell and drag it down across the desired range. Excel will automatically generate sequential numbers as you go. The nice thing here is that referencing A1 ensures your sequence starts at 1 no matter which row you're working in, and the numbers will increase smoothly as you extend the fill. Both methods are fast and reliable. Use the fill handle with 2 starting values when you want to control the pattern or increment. Use the row function when you want a straightforward count that starts at 1 without setting up a pattern. Either way, you'll save time and reduce errors compared to typing numbers by hand, and that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.